Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a very simple, easy look. So I'm going to uni. So please enjoy, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. So first I'm going to be doing the brows and brushing them up. So I went in with brow gel. Now I'm lining up the brow with the brow pencil. Products will be listed down in the description box. So now I'm using concealer. I'm going to be using a brush from Bliss. I got it from Maxx. Now I'm cleaning up the brow. They look good already. So next, I'm going to be going in with primer to moisturize my face because I've got really dry skin, so I need to moisturize before applying any foundation. And it's advisable for anyone to use it as well. It also helps your foundation stay on for longer. So now I'm going to be going in with eye primer from HD Makeup. So I'm just priming my eyes. I'm going to be using a brush from Studio London. I got this as a gift from my cousin. I'm going to be using it to blend out the eye primer. It looks a bit light, but don't worry, we're going to deal with that. So I'm going in with a powder from Primark actually. So I'm just setting the eye primer with the powder. Now you can see it looks better. I'm going to be using eyeshadow from Makeup Couture. So first I'm going to be going in with that shade. So you just need to watch and you just need to blend really, because with applying eyeshadow, that's what you need to do. You need to learn how to blend properly, unless you have harsh lines. So going in with the second shade. Blend, people. Blend the thing. Going in with another shade. And I'm going in a circular motion, going in the wind, in a, what's that thing called? Car wiper motion as well. So anyhow you want to do it, really, you don't have to do it in a particular way. So yeah, just blend. So now I'm going in with foundation. This foundation is from YSL in the shade B70. I was trying it out because I'm trying to find a shade that's good for me. When I find foundations, it's either too light or too dark. So just blend, guys. Blend in the foundation. Now I'm going to be highlighting my face. I'm going in with concealer. Like I said, all the products will be listed out in the description box. Blend again. Now I'm going in with a darker concealer. This is also from Primark. And I saw this technique on Brianna Fox's channel, but I'm going to put a little because I was too scared it would turn out funny. So you just need to blend again, guys. Now I'm setting my concealer and I'm brushing it out. Got this brush also from Primark. So I'm gonna be lining my eyes. I'm using a gel liner actually. I just dipped in that black liner pencil because I couldn't find my eyeliner brush. So just watch how I do it, guys. You can always make it work even if you don't have some materials, you know. So now I'm gonna go in with lip gloss. I'm only going to uni, so I don't need to look extravagant. And now I'm putting in my highlighter. Let's pop, girls. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video.
Oh, by the way, I was in such a rush, I forgot to put mascara on. Don't forget to put mascara on, guys, or lashes. See you in my next video.